Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're opening the camera on your Windows 11. So at that time you are facing this type of error, we can't find your camera and the error code is showing in the screen as you can see guys. Okay, so now let's see how to fix this irritating error. So one by one let's get started. First you need to close the camera and restart your PC one time. Okay, after restarting, once again open the camera on your PC. Now hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. So this is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings guys, in the left panel open the privacy and security, and in the right panel scroll down and find out camera. Okay, and check the camera access was enabled or not. If the camera access was disabled, just need to enable it from here. Okay, and then it will also helps you to fix your problem. So now guys, latest laptop was coming with built-in camera key. So press the camera key from your keyboard or hold the function key and then hit the camera key from your keyboard. From the keyboard you can also easily able to enable and disable the camera. Okay, so accidentally if the camera button was hit from your keyboard, at that time you can also face this type of problem. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to reinstall the camera driver from your PC. Okay, hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager like this. In the device manager guys, you need to extend camera and right click on your camera driver, and here you can get the option update driver, and then here you can get two options, update automatically or browse my computer for driver. So first option is this guys, you can update the driver from the online. So it will ask you to update your PC. Okay, to update your PC you need to open your Windows settings. So we will update our PC later. Now we will try the second offline method. Select your camera driver and then click on next. It will install your camera driver. After installing, it will ask you to restart your PC. Just simply restart your PC. Okay, so to update the camera driver from Windows Update, open Windows settings once again, and in the left panel go to Windows Update. From here you can easily able to update your PC. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this irritating problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem by following this all method, so still your problem was not solved, last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to download your camera driver manually. Open any web browser and search your camera driver. So in whatever your brand using, like Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, so just search it, the camera driver by your brand name. Okay, and download and install it. So this is the last and final solution. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.